Welcome to Takniki Gyan Guru channel. Before we begin, don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you haven't already. Now let's dive in. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of installing Java OpenJDK. Let's get started. So first of all, we will go to the official JDK site openjdk.org /install, and then we will download the installer, and then we will install into our VM. So let's go and see how we can install it. Now we are open a Chrome browser. You can type so you can say you can open this OpenJDK site, OpenJDK, download, install, click on jdkjava.net. You can see ready to use. These are an earlier access one, means this is 2003 latest version, and this is the ready to use this stable version of this. So I will use jdk 22. Here you can see the Linux, you know, for Linux these are the installer. I want to install in Windows, so x64, the chip, just download it. Download isn't started yet. Click on zip. Yeah, now started. Yeah, it is now started. Now you have to unzip this. Let's unzip. Right click and extract all, and you can choose as per your requirement. You can choose your location wherever you want to run. Now let's wait for the unzip. Okay, now it is unzipped. Click on this and win. You can say java.exe. See java.exe, right? So now we need to set an environment variable for this location. So if you can see, we have the download folder. You can save this folder somewhere else, right? Not best practice to set your location in download folder. Let me copy this one into my somewhere else. I just copy the same folder in my other location. I'm just click and Java bin. Copy this whole file path and press Windows and edit. You can see edit the system environment variable. Don't choose edit environment variable for your account. Choose edit the system environment variable so that you can edit the environment variable, right? You can see the environment variable. Click on this and system variable, click add new, or sorry, you can see here some path. Click on path and edit and add new, paste the location and then save it. and then save here also, and OK. Now open command prompt, Control R, cmd. Now I'm in a command prompt, just type Java version. You can see OpenJDK 22 version is installed. So that's it. Let's move to the slide. So this will end to our video. Thank you so much for watching this video.